Shalom Aleichem, Beruchim Boachem, peace be upon you, and welcome to another video. Welcome to Misparim Hilek Beth. This is Numerals Part 2. This is the second portion of Numerals. I wanted to expound upon what was in portion 1. So you do not use the Aleph Beth to count in respect to the amount or quantity of something, either it be animate or inanimate. You do not use the alphabet to count that, okay? Below, I have listed a few examples in English, okay? So we use this as a naming convention or naming scheme. So you do not need to know the Hebrew equivalents at this point in your studies. If you do not understand at this time, please do not fret. In time you will. After a time you'll get used to this type of naming convention. Okay, so if you're in row 4 or row D, you will have the Hebrew word for row, and then you will have Daleth here. Same thing with row D, Daleth here. Okay, so Hebrew word for row and then Daleth. This is not a counting scheme, okay? This is not a way of you counting exactly. It is a way of naming something. So column 2, column B, seat 10, seat Y. Position 4, position D. Hall 7, hall Z. Stairwell 5, stairwell E. Song 1, song A. Door 3, door C. Arm force 9, arm force. Well, there's no equivalence for Tayis in Hebrew. Okay, there's none. So I just had to put something. Boat 8, and same thing with when it comes to Hayth, there's no equivalence in Hebrew. So I took it upon myself to put CH. Okay. Here are a bit more. So song 1 or song A will be Shir Aleph. Scroll 4, scroll D, or you can say book, will be Sefer Daleth. Okay. Now I went over Sefer with you and Parak, okay, and Pasuk. So verse or passage 2, verse passage B, Pasuk Beth. Host arm force 3, host arm force G, Seva Gimel. Chapter 8 or chapter no equivalent, Parak Hayf. And then part or portion 2 is Hilek Beth. Okay? And this is not its limitation in naming. Okay, you can put this to anything. You can put this to streets, you can put this to sidewalks, whatever you can think of. You can add the Aleph Beth to it. Okay, so remember that the Aleph Beth is not for counting. It is not quantitative, okay, at all. It's simply for naming. We'll go over more of this in upcoming lessons.